do have the certificate issued by the standard that for A4 column, here is what I am certifying in saying that it is up to the industry standard. Once the materials come in, you said we are not believing the figure certificate. We ourselves are giving it for a quality check somewhere in third party. Whatever certificate issued by them. That's the second check. The third check, before you are issuing it, and you are saying that these are various checklists that we are following, right? So for this column, this is the checklist 1, 2, 3 and 4. At various stages that we have followed, we have certified saying that yes, 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 and no. That's the one. Then after that you said the cubic strength for the RMC. Then after that you said the cube strength. So the end-to-end cycle, yeah, various checks followed at various stages. What are the actuals that have happened?
If you have time, I will show that. Otherwise, I will send it.
No, that's what I'll take it up and no, that gives the confidence the member saying that okay, randomly it has been picked up by one of the members. They went through the full cycle.
Subjective, then we will show it. Definitely send it.
What I have a little question. You send a random sample for testing. Let's say it fails to test. What happens to the weight?
That lot will be rejected, that will be taken back with company and the
But by then they will have started working.
No.
Unless and until we get the test report, we are not.
What is the use of testing then?
Because not coming in
Before using, we are testing it, then we are rejecting it. Actually, we have rejected one that type of samples, one sand we have rejected. Even steel also we rejected 25 mm. Again, second test they have done it, they have replaced it and they have done it. We are taking care of that.
As a part of the sample, if you even send that rejection report, right? That is means that they are not, they are already rejected. It's not that they're blindly accepting it. The height in the product increases, right? So maybe
We are doing it.
generally they will sell up because mostly any company having a reputation.
building a relationship with them.
They do not want their material to be.
Since cell-up rejected, then we don't need the test.
No, only for conformity. See, because company has given a certificate. Based on that, we.
In this case, these type of L-shaped columns are used. Okay, and what I have noticed is from top to bottom, of course, the builder and the construction engineers, they are a bit concerned about the spacing of steel that has been used. The strips, right? They are very close. So they said initially,
So what is saying is it's difficult to build the column.
It is very
for the labor.
There are two reasons. One is the anchoring the steel is difficult, particularly when they go as they go upright, it would be difficult. So
we don't have scaffoldings outside.
Actually, why do we need this kind of steel need to be used there? Particularly for this column, as we go, the load would be reduced. So the load is not required. That is a concern. But later, when we have analyzed, we actually asked, when a structure is designed for top load, right, seismic loads, it has to be there won't be a small load, a big load at top and complete thing. Yeah, so the L columns and these are going to help for that kind of purpose, and is going to serve that kind of purpose. And we didn't compromise about that one. And we and other folks, they also they will know we are going to stick to that one.
What are they talking about? They're being put very close. You said no, the steel and the
seismic loads?
No, very close.
Labor effort.
The rings placed for the L column, right? It's really hard to build. It takes more time than the normal column.
Yeah. Placing was very close.
6 inches generally they would.
6 inches.
Yeah.
Here is one basic of the rods.
Because what happens is getting hand into that building it, and it was really hard.
Generally we use stirrups 8 or 10 mm. And here they have recommended 12 mm.
So they cannot bend with the hand. They have to come from the machine and put it there.
Actually, entire process is totally difficult. The steel work is difficult. At the same time, pouring is difficult. Consolidation is difficult.
So is it something we are specifically doing it for ourselves, or is it like any area building in Hyderabad?
Actually, that is recommended.
So then how different is it? Anything like
Actually, it saves us nearly 15 to 20% total steel
Beams and beams.
mainly.
See, high-rise buildings will have different concepts by different structural engineers. there will not be a commonality. Only a particular place, particular design will be adopted. Here, first they have gone for the rectangle.